Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Benidorm Scooter Sue here. When I get started we'll get a video done. There we go. So I'm on Marcus's camera, he's letting me use it. Ooh. Oh, that looks rather posh in there. What is it? Porto
H10 Porto Poniente.
H10 Porto Poniente Hotel. Looks nice. Some parking there, but I don't know whether that's part of the hotel. I think it is.
Hi.
And we're going up here today. So, some doves. Up past the gastro bar. Urban gastro bar there. And then a hotel here. Sorry, I can't remember what hotel it is.
Flats.
Oh, the flats, okay. So, we've got Hotel Marbleau, if that's how you say it.
I believe so, yeah, no?
Beautiful views as well from this little bit. Got views of the Isle de Benidorm and the harbour. And there's Hotel Marbleau. Not sure what hotel this one is.
Hotel Montemar.
Hotel Montemar, there you go. Glad I got my little assistant with me. So down there you've got Elche Park. Ah yes, Hotel Montemar. Looks nice. And whatever this was, they're doing work in it.
It's that hot culture hotel place with chairs on the roof and all that.
Yeah. Hotel Casual,
Hotel Casual, yeah.
which is the pop culture, as Marcus said, with all the designed rooms. And then we got a lovely refuel bar. It's meant to be really nice in there, but I have never actually been in there.
Currently owned by a Cumbrian lad as well.
Ah, there you go. Owned by a Cumbrian, so. And then we've got the dining room.
Very fancy. Jesus Christ. You don't need to bank rent a car there.
Look at that for the wallpaper.
But I mean not.
Just look nice, mind.
35 quid for mash and beef Wellington.
Gusto bar there. And what's this? Zodiac. Another Zodiac bar. And of course, as always, a kebab shop. Because you can't be in Benidorm without a kebab shop, can you, Marcus?
Nah, no, you can't.
A hairdresser's. And a barber's. some poor bugger in the chair. Well, I was trying to avoid and I have sprayed it, guys, so I do apologise. La Toxia Benidorm, and doing work here. Now, is this the new hotel that they've been on about? It's horrendous. Got the yellow submarine there and the fab Elche Park. Just try and get across before we get run over. That's what I was going to show you guys. These new signs that are appearing in Elche Park. These information signs. And of course, we have the doves of Elche Park. So thank you for watching. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.